on a real big swarm that it'll do. I told you previously in one of my other videos that this year we're going to do a series on swarms, catching them and then maximizing their potential by doing as many splits as we can out of them right away. So even though this isn't a real big swarm, we're going to do just that. Here we go. That's the first round. Let them kind of work their way around a little bit. We'll get a pheromone strip real quick. All right, we're going to put one of these pheromone strips in here. Try to get the queen or get them to be attracted to the box. Possible we've got multiple queens also. These pro nucs are pretty handy for this, I think. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer up there. I'm not too worried about catching the queen. Usually I'll try to find and see if I get multiple queens. But in this case, with this series that we're going to do, I am going to give these gals all new queens, and as many solo cups as I can get out of these is how many queens we'll give them. So We'll see how that goes. There's still a few up in the tree. It's hard to see in the sunlight.
Yeah, it's almost impossible to see the hive itself.
Right there they are. What's left of them. There's still a few up there, so we're going to keep bringing them down. They've settled down pretty good here. So hopefully be finished up here in a few more minutes, and we'll go from there. All right, everyone, we are back at the bee yard. Got this little colony, put a thing of syrup on for them, and we will come back tomorrow. This is going to be the first in a series of videos that I'm going to do. Tomorrow we'll come back, go through here, find the queen, and cage her. And I'll either keep her. I'm not sure if I'll keep her for one of the splits that we do from this, or do something else with her. I'm not sure. Probably keep her. But I'm gonna leave them here for a few days while I get some grafts ready, and we'll come back in a few days and split these out with solo cup, and see how many splits we can make out of them and how many grafts we can put into them. And those grafts will go in these little 2-frame boxes. I started to set them up here today as we've been getting them finished up. This is only just a few of them, but we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Watch for the next video in the series, and hopefully we'll get a bunch of colonies out of these this year. I'm going to do this. I'm not going to do it on every swarm this year, but most of the swarms that I do, well, maybe not most of them, but 3 or 4 will do, see the maximum amount of colonies we can make. Have a great day.